Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a USB so that it will install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware or on a computer that has unsupported hardware. And it's really easy to do. So just follow the step-by-step instructions. It'll only take a few minutes. So first thing you can do is head over to Rufus site and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. You can either do these top two right here. One's just executable, one's portable. It doesn't matter. Just click on one of them, whichever one you choose, and then you can go ahead and click on the Rufus. You should get a pop-up like this. It says, "Do you want to allow Rufus to check for application updates online?" You must say yes for this to work, so don't say no. So go ahead and click yes, and then you're going to see this here. And if you don't see the download option, then that just means you inadvertently hit no. And I created a video to show you how to fix that issue. So check it out in the description below. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and make sure that your USB is selected up here. That's your, so you should go ahead and put it in. I'll go ahead and unplug mine to show you that I just unplugged it. I'm going to go ahead and plug it back in and it's going to pop up here again. I'm going to close this and you can see my no label D is showing. So just verify that your USB is installed. Then you're going to click over here on select and you're going to select download. And once it changes, go ahead and click on the download button. So then you're going to see Windows 11 here. You can click, and obviously that's the one we're looking for. So we're just going to keep that and go ahead and hit continue. And you can, if it offers different builds, you can, but it's only going to offer you the 23H2. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And I think that this is the only version they're going to offer to Home Pro and Education. So hit continue. And then this is where you can change your language. So I'm going to change it from English International to just English United States. And then I'm going to hit continue. And then the architectural is only going to be 64. And then we're going to go ahead and click download. And you can pick where you want to download it. I'm just going to set mine on the desktop for now. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. That didn't really take very long. Of course, I'm hardwired. If you're on wireless, it may take a little bit, but that wasn't really too bad. So now all we need to do is go ahead and change the partition scheme. And if your machine supports the UEFI partition table, then I would just keep the GPT. If not, just change it to MBR. That's fine. You're just not going to have the UEFI capability. So I would keep the GPT. And before I go to the next step, the UEFI supports secure boot. So, like I said, either if it doesn't support the secure boot, just go MBR. If you can, just go GPT. All right. So, and now we're pretty much ready to go. And now we're just going to go ahead and hit start. And you're going to see this pop up. So one of the key things you need to have, at least, remove the requirements for the 4 gigabyte plus RAM secure boot and TPM 2.0. Remove requirement for online Microsoft account. That's optional. So other things, you can create a local account with username. You might be able to, select disable data collection or disable BitLocker. So I'm going to select the disable BitLocker automatic device encryption because I'm not going to use it. I'm not worried about it. If you think you might use it later on, you can go back and re-enable this later. So it's not something that's completely out of the question, but that's just something I'm going to select. That's your choice. You don't have to do that. And then we're just going to go ahead and select OK. And then here's the scary message. So if you have anything on your USB that you're afraid that you're going to lose, you might want to make sure you back it up. I meant to say that earlier, but once you click OK on this, it's going to erase, it's going to reformat the drive, and then it's going to be gone. So, all right, so let me go ahead and hit OK. And then as you can see, it did a little bit of crazy stuff there. Just let it do its thing. Don't panic. And that's it. Once it's complete, you're going to see that it's going to say ready. And then now you're just going to take it and you're going to put it in the USB of the computer that you want to try to install Windows 11 on. So here I am now. I'm in Windows 11. I just booted up. I downloaded ScreenPal. This is actually taken an update already as well. So the USB that we just created updates, that all functions well. I'm running it on a computer that does not have a TPM chip. I do not have the BitLocker encryption enabled. And yes, this has 8 gigs of RAM. Yes, it has a 2 gigahertz. Yes, it is secure boot, UEFI. It has all of that, but it doesn't have the TPM, which is a requirement for Windows 11. So, but it works fine. So I'm going to try it on my older computer, which does not have TPM, and I'll go ahead and post that pretty soon. But please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you're having trouble, like I said, if you're having trouble doing the download with Rufus, like I said in the beginning, watch the video in the link below where I show you how to get around that. But go ahead and watch the video. I'll show you exactly how to take care of that. All right, thanks for watching. Please consider giving it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.